This training video will show you how to import a class list from a prepared Excel spreadsheet into your QClick 7 software. Your spreadsheet should have 4 columns of student information: first name, last name, student ID, and device number. Open your QClick software. Log in with your username and password. The default username is QOMO QOMO, and the default password is QOMO QOMO. Go to the top of the page and select the QClick 7 Add-in tab. Click on the class icon. Select Add a Class. Double-click on the new class and rename it. When you are done, hit Enter on your keyboard. Click on the Import a Class icon. Find the Excel sheet for the class you would like to import and click Open. Using the drop-down menus, identify each column accordingly. Since the first row is only a headings row, I will select row 2 as my beginning row. My class list ends at row 21. I will make that my ending row. Click the Import button. You will see your class list has been imported to the QClick 7 system. Click on the Save icon. You have now successfully imported your class. For more information, visit our website, www.qomo.com.